Do you need to format your essay in MLA style? Let's do it. Start by selecting the correct font type and size. Then, move on to the spacing options by pressing the paragraph settings. Be sure to change spacing after paragraph to 0, and then select double in the drop-down menu. Now, start creating the heading by listing the necessary information in the top left. Start with your name, then list your instructor's name, followed by the course name and due date. Then you can center your essay title before moving on to the last step. Double-click the top of the page to open the header. Select the Insert Page Number option and choose the setting that will insert it in the top right. Add your last name beside it and then make sure the font type and size is correct. Close out of the header by clicking the red X. And there's how to set up your essay in correct MLA style. Remember, you can stop by the Writing Center in CAS 133 on the Wallace campus or in Building C on the Sparks campus for all kinds of writing help.